What's up guys, I am Zain and today I'm going to show you how to get an overdraft on Monzo Bank. Now here as you can see, when I go to Monzo Help Center and type getting an overdraft, it will show me exactly how these steps are proceeded. So you can simply open your Monzo application on your phone, then you should tap the home icon in the menu bar down, then tap on your profile picture and you have to scroll down to your personal account. Then what you should do is to tap learn about overdrafts. And this is only if you are not eligible. If you are eligible, you can simply click on set up an overdraft. And to know if you are eligible or not, there are some criteria that meets the eligibility, and Monzo itself determines the eligibility based on their own data and information from the credit reference agencies, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. And actually checking to see if you are eligible doesn't impact your credit score. And you can also see how the limit you are eligible for. And if you have already an overdraft, you can simply click on manage your overdraft. And that's it. This is how you can actually do it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.